All parties Hurriyat conference while denouncing imposition of curfew-like restrictions even in the last 10 days of the holy month of Ramadan said that India has kept the entire Kashmiri population under military siege. All parties Hurriyat conference spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar today said that restricting people from offering prayers even on Shab-e-Qadr in the Srinagar's historic Jamia Masjid and other small and big mosques of the cities and towns is blatant violation of right to worship and interference in religious matters. Rich tributes were paid to the martyred resistance leader Shaheed S. Hamid Wani, who was killed by the Indian occupation forces in his hometown Srinagar on 18th April 1998. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders, while paying tributes to Shaheed Wani on his martyrdom anniversary today, said he was a legendary character whose life and sacrifices would live on eternally in the hearts of every freedom lover across the occupied region. Khurram Parvez, a human rights defender from occupied Kashmir imprisoned since November 2021, has been elected Deputy General Secretary of International Federation of Human Rights. The France-based non-governmental Federation for Human Rights organization in a statement posted on its website today said FIDH will always stand by those who defend rights, justice, peace and dignity. All parties Hurriyat conference leader Advocate Devinder Singh Bahal has strongly condemned the thrashing and forcing of a Kashmiri youth to chant Vande Mataram and other slogans by Hindu extremists in New Delhi. Advocate Bahal, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the BJP vigilantes have been harassing Kashmiris in India for a long time and the so-called democracy is watching as a salient spectator. Despite restrictions, rainfall and cold weather conditions, thousands of devotees observed Shab-e-Qadr, the night of power and blessings, in their houses, mosques and shrines across the occupied Kashmir. Amid tight restrictions across Srinagar's central Jamia Masjid, believers went to side area mosques and shrines on Monday night for prayers and the recitation of the Holy Quran. General retired Shankar Roy Chaudhary, former chief of the Indian Army, said that the primary responsibility of the deaths of the Central Reserve Police Force soldiers in the Pulwama attack rests on the government headed by the Prime Minister, who is advised by the National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. 18th Chief of the Army Staff, in a media interview, was reacting to the former Governor Satyapal Malik's revelations that the 2019 Pulwama attack was the outcome of government incompetence and negligence. A condolence meeting was organized by the Azad Kashmir chapter of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference in Islamabad today to pay tribute to martyred S. Hamid Wani and his contribution to the struggle for right to self-determination. The meeting was chaired by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar.